Hello guys. So today we will start integers. Okay. So if I say, what do you know about integers? We talk about integers. So I think already you have just written class 6 about integers. These are actually the numbers like -2, -3, -4, 0 also, 1, 2, 3, 4, and many more. So we can say key negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers. These all are integers. Okay. So now in this chapter, I think we will read just about properties of integers. So first is closure. Closure under addition. So we will check that property is working for addition or not. Addition of integers. Okay. So if I say you are just adding 17 and 23, you have two integers 17 and 23, so you are adding these two numbers and you are getting 40. This 40 also an integer. Okay, so here we'll see key addition of two different integers. Addition of two different integers means integer 1 and integer 2. If we are just adding, these two integers, so again we are getting finally integer. Okay, so another case like -10, this is a minus integer, and +3, this is a plus integer. Again when you are adding, you got -7, and this -7 is again a integer. Okay, then if I check in this case, fourth case, this 19 is positive integer and -25 is negative integer. Finally we are getting -6, and this is also an integer. Okay, so means we can say key when we are adding two different integers, plus or minus, whatever, means positive integer or negative integers, we are getting final number which is again a integer. Okay, so integers are closed under addition. This statement we can say about integers. So means they are following closure property. Okay. Okay. So for the same, it has been written in your book like for any two integers a and b, a plus b also an integer. Okay. Now we will check this closure property for subtraction. So here we can see an integer you have 7, another integer you have -9, and when you are subtracting, here you are taking one integer, first integer is 7, because in this case we are checking subtraction, so we will use that minus sign, and we have integers like 7 and 9. Okay, so 7 and 9, two integers you have. Now go for subtraction. Okay, so 7 minus 9, you are getting minus 2, and this is again an integer. Okay, now we will check this thing about when we are taking both the integers in negative. So if one integer I have taken minus 21 and another integer is minus 10, and then we will apply minus sign, means we will apply subtraction application on that, then we will get what? Minus 21 and minus 10, and we will have to go for subtraction between both, means this will be plus 10. Okay, and now what I will get? Minus 11. Okay, and again this is an integer. Okay, the same thing here, like one is positive, another one is minus 17, and we are going for negative application, means subtraction application, and it will be like 32 minus minus plus, so this will be plus 17. 7 2 9 3 1 4 49. We are getting 49 here, and again this is integer. Okay, then here in this case, like this is minus 21, this is first integer, second integer is 0, because we know that 0 is also an integer, and here we'll get minus 29, and this is also an integer. Okay, okay, so all are actually integers. Observation is like all are integer. Okay, so we can see that integers are closed under subtraction. Okay, this closure property was working for addition, and it is working for subtraction also. Okay, so we can say that if a and b are two integers you have, then a minus b is also an integer. Fine, and in the same way, we were just also observing that a and b are two integers. If you have, then a plus b is also an integer. So that's all about the closure property. Now we will talk about commutative property. What is commutative property? This is actually if you have a plus a and b, two integers, then it will have to follow the rule like a plus b equal to b plus a. If this is like these integers are following this rule, we can say that they are just following commutative property. Okay, they are just showing commutative property. So fine, if we have two integers like 5 and 6, we will check a plus b, means 5 plus 6 equal to 11, and 6 plus 5 equal to again 11. So we can say that we can say that 5 plus 6 equal to 6 plus 5. So it is showing that the integers are following commutative property. Okay, so like here we can say minus 8 and minus 9. If you have these two integers, then minus 8 plus minus 9, is this equal to minus 9 plus minus 8? So we will check minus 8 and minus 9. This will be equal to minus 17 equal to again minus 17. Sorry, 17. Okay, I'll make it correct. Okay. Okay, so another like yeah, again minus 45. This is an integer, and if we adding it with another number 0, so we are getting minus 45 total. And if 0 plus plus minus 45 will do, again we will get minus 45. So this is also following commutative property. Okay, then we can say that addition is commutative for integers. Okay, yeah, a plus b equal to b plus a. This is commutative property for integers, and we just checked about addition of integers. If we have to another integers like 5 and minus 3, 5 and minus 3, so we will check about commutative property. 5 plus in bracket minus 3 equal to minus 3 plus 5. So here we got minus plus by 2 equal to plus 2. Means these integers are following commutative property. Then we'll check about subtraction. So if I just write like 5 minus 3 equal to 3 minus 5. So in the case of like we have two integers 5 and 3, and we are just checking subtraction whether this is following commutative or not. So we will check 5 minus 3 and 3 minus 5. So here I got 2, but in this case we got minus 2. So 2 is not equal to minus 2. So we can say that subtraction is not commutative for integers. Addition is commutative for integers, but subtraction is not commutative for integers. Okay. Then we will check associative property. So in associative property, this is like something like A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. So we will check whether these numbers are following this property or not. So if we have three different integers like minus 3, minus 2 and minus 5, then we will place these numbers in this property like minus 3 plus b plus c means minus 2 plus minus 5 equal to a plus b means minus 3 minus 2 plus c means minus 5. Okay, and I'm very much sure that you guys are aware, you guys are well known to these, like how they are using plus minus and all, right? So minus 3 plus, in this bracket we will solve and we will get minus 7 equals to minus 5 and minus 5. So here we are just getting minus 10, and here also minus 10. Okay, so same value we are getting. This is minus 10. See, okay, so we get minus 10. So we can say that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, so we can see that this addition of integer is also following associative rule. Similarly, if I just took minus 3, 1 and minus 7, these are the integers, then we'll check. So here we'll write like minus 3 plus in bracket b plus c. This is a, this is b, this is c. Okay, so a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. B plus c means plus 1 plus 2 minus 7. Okay, we will solve it and getting like minus 3 minus 6 equals to minus 3 minus 6, so minus 9 to minus 9. Minus 9. Okay, in this case again minus 2, this was a plus b plus c, this was a plus b in bracket and plus c is out from the bracket. Then again we are getting minus 2 and minus 7 to minus 9. Is minus 3 plus 1 minus 7 same as minus 3 plus 1 plus minus 7? Yes, equals. Okay, same है. So we can say that all these numbers are just following associative property. So we can say that addition is associative for integers because addition of integers also following associative rule, and this rule is like a plus b plus c. So means just take two integers in addition within the bracket, one is from like out from this bracket and again 2 in bracket and 1 is outside from the bracket. Just add all those things and you will get same number. Okay, so what about additive identity? See, identity means what which cannot be changed, right? So if I just take this zero number, like if we take any number, any integer, any whole, anything, and we are just adding with this number with 0, then again we are getting the same number. Like with minus 8, when we are adding 0, we are getting minus 8. With minus 23, we are adding 0, then again we are getting minus 23. Here we will get minus 59 and plus 0, minus 61. Then here like minus 43. Okay, and like 5 0 5. Okay, so when by adding something with your integer number, you are getting the same integer number, then we can say that that unknown number which we have just added with our integer number, that is identity. So this is additive identity. Okay, so like this we can say, we can conclude it like in this way: a plus 0 equal to a equal to equals to 0 plus a. Fine, so here we can say that this 0 is identity and this is additive identity because we are just using that plus sign here. Okay, okay, Write down a pair of integers whose sum is -3. So we are just doing like -1 and plus addition. We are just doing with -2. We are getting -3. These are just simple thing. And okay, so that's all about addition and subtraction of integers and closure property and associative properties and all. Fine. So again, in another video we will just go for multiplication of integers and other things. Okay, so till then, revise this chapter. Okay, and yeah, we will okay, fine. So revise this chapter and we will just meet again. Till then, see you. Bye.